To our newsroom, the U.S. Marshals have just confirmed with us that a death did happen inside a federal courtroom this afternoon in downtown Fargo. As we told you at the top of the newscast, a witness inside that courtroom says that a man slit his throat after hearing the verdict in his case. Stick with Valley News Live as we continue to learn more on this breaking story. Before you head out to the lake this summer, you'll need to brush up on your water safety tips. Experts say don't go out alone. Have somebody around in case of an emergency. They also say that if someone falls in, don't go in after them unless you're certified. A panicked person could overpower you and bring you underwater by accident. When boating in North Dakota and Minnesota, children under the age of 10 must wear a personal flotation device. In North Dakota, all personal watercraft users have to wear a life jacket as well. In Minnesota, each boat should have one U.S. Coast Guard approved, properly sized and easily accessible life jacket for each person. By air or by land, more Americans are traveling as vaccination rates increase and pandemic restrictions ease. Travel predictions are up significantly over last year for the upcoming Memorial Day holiday weekend. Bradley Blackburn shows us how to travel smart and safe.
Do you think it's a good time to travel?
Absolutely.
Floridian Cherie Hammond and her daughter Katie are on a road trip taking them up and down the East Coast.
We've missed it. We want to get out. We're the type that just get in and drive someplace.
AAA predicts more than 34 million people will be driving to their destination during the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. That's compared to nearly 23 million last year, a jump of more than 52%. The top destinations have sun, sand, and serenity in common, like beaches and national parks. Drivers may feel the pinch at the pump. The national average price for gas is more than $3 a gallon. And renting a car will cost a lot more than just gas. There's high demand and low supply because many companies reduced their fleets during the pandemic.
The estimate for a rental car today in Florida, it's $441 a day.
Experts say reserve early, be flexible with your dates, book at a local rental place, not at airports, or find alternatives like public transit. Air travel is up too. The TSA says it screened more than 1.8 million passengers Sunday, a number that hasn't been seen since March of 2020.
We're expecting that families will continue to travel, and we think that this trend will move all the way through the summer. Health experts say airline passengers can feel confident about ventilation on planes.
The air is completely exchanged about every 3 minutes, which is better than in some, medical settings.
And know before you go, make sure to check the local COVID restrictions of your travel destination. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.
Coming up, how you could score a year's worth of free pet food just by taking a selfie.